latest numbers on the labor sector show, among others, the country's employment rate climbing 0.3 of a percentage point in December of last year. Something positive for government definitely to build on as the Department of Labor and Employment continues to hold as many job fairs as it could muster. As we hear more numbers and details from Mary Vel Custodio's report.
The employment rate in the Philippines climbed to 96% based on the latest labor force survey of the Philippine Statistics Authority last December 2024, totaling to 50.19 million employed Filipinos.
Employment rate natin for the whole year 2024 ay nasa 96.2%, higher compared sa employment rate noong the whole year 2023 na nasa 95.6%.
The unemployment rate remained steady at 3.1%, while underemployment hit 10.9%. Transportation, construction, and public service sector workers increased. The National Capital Region is one of the top job havens for job seekers.
Generally, tumaas naman po ang NCR. Mataas po sa NCR, mataas po ang employment rate. May direktiba din ang presidente na kung pwede ay buwan-buwan magkakaroon ng job fair.
The Department of Labor and Employment is continuously hosting job fairs through the Trabaho para sa Bayan for the 12,000 graduating students in Metro Manila who are beneficiaries of the Pantawid Pamilya Pilipino program. The DOLE is working hand-in-hand with the Department of Social Welfare and Development and PESO.
Dito sa NCR, meron tayong displaced workers ng IGL, ng POGO. So, yun din ay kaya kami nagkakaroon din ng job fair ay para dito sa ating mga displaced workers ng POGO. May direktiba ang presidente na hanapan sila ng trabaho.
Job fair is scheduled to take place in Iloilo and Davao this month. Meanwhile, DOLE is ready to conduct labor inspection in case Congress ratifies the proposed additional 200 pesos in the minimum wage.
Kami po ay pumupunta sa mga employers, sa ating mga establishments para tingnan natin kung sila ay compliant sa general labor standards na included po doon ang minimum wage.
The labor inspection will also examine whether social benefits provided to the employees are correct and complete. Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.